So it's tournament day, and it is freaking raining like crazy. First tournament, to be honest, I wasn't sure what to expect with the weather. We had a heads up that it was gonna be pretty bad, but it is pretty bad right now. No lightning so far, which is a good thing. If there is lightning, I won't be out there fishing at all. So far I haven't seen too much lightning. There has been some off and on, but not enough to keep me worried. But we're about to be at the launch, so if I see anything, I will definitely not get in the water. But like I said, today's my first tournament. Let's see how this goes. Alright, so we just got here. Still raining pretty hard. Wind is pretty bad right now. Hopefully it slows down a little bit. It's 6:42. The storm looks like about 7:30. It should slow down a little bit. So let's see how it goes. We got two other vehicles here with, it appears to be at least a total of 4 kayakers. So still waiting on my partner Marco to get here, but there's going to be some people out here. I think people are holding off and starting to get in the water right now because of the weather. So hopefully it goes good. Super rough conditions. Out here, it's pretty bad. Wind is blowing. Check this out. This ain't easy. We got about a mile to paddle through this. So let's see how this goes. Oh yeah. I know, I thought about it. But I think good thing is, once we get in there, we'll be kind of protected. He's gonna be close. Right here. Oh shit, hell yeah. 27 and a half. Oh yeah. Fuck. Perfect. Look at that one. Oh, I got my plan. I got a plan. Alright, so we got our 2 fish done. We got a 27 and a half redfish and 26 inch redfish. Get the wind. That's good to talk day. Some dudes may have got some better spots to those, but oh, day for sure. So I managed to place 3rd with my teammate Marco for the Austin Kayak Saltwater Survival Series tournament. It was a good day. Actually, it was crazy as hell. The winds had to be blowing at least to 30 mile per hour gusts. They were probably consistently at least 20 for sure. Raining the whole time. It was freaking nuts. I almost decided to bail because it was just too much to even fish when we first started. In those conditions, I normally wouldn't fish. It was really unsafe. But with the tournament going on, I knew the area, so we went ahead and fished it. But overall, it was freaking nuts.